Okay, so Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Alam Mirtazwar, Diploma of Computing Department in Information Technology, currently working as an intern in COMNET UNISEL. And our today's topic of event is Introduction to Landing Page. So before that, our director has sent us a welcoming speech for the WordPress event. We shall start with that.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Thank you very much to the organizer and our beloved instructor, Mr. Tazualam, and all of our participants. Thank you very much to join this event. First of all, I would like to thanks very much to our brother Mr. Tazwa, give a beautiful idea and organize a very good event to make sure we can do a lot of technology to make it easy to our community. So I hope this event using WordPress can be useful, especially for our all participants. Maybe suitable for our businessman or maybe student, the beginner, the newbie to the technology. So of course now we are in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, where information is not only at your fingertip but all about our life. Online purchasing, payment using a wallet, digital marketing are widely used. So make sure you take this opportunity and learn WordPress. And in COMNET, Center for Community Engagement, we are encouraged to do some community education focusing on the digital literacy. So I hope this event can give you some overview of how to use WordPress. So inshallah, enjoy your learning, and we see you again in next time. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
All right. So let's start with what is WordPress and about landing page. A landing page has the power to attract or repel a customer. It is the first impression of your online presence that customer judges your product for. So you need to have a perfect landing page. Otherwise, in simple words, a perfect landing page is where a customer gets what he is looking for and you get what you are looking for, a customer. When a customer visits your WordPress website, the landing page should ease your potential customers. They should be able to learn about the product, service that you provide without hassle, so that you can turn these potential customers into real customers. So what is a landing page? A landing page is a standalone web page that a person lands on after clicking through from an email, ad, or other digital location. Once they're on your landing page, users are encouraged to take an action, such as joining your list or buying your products. If the user takes the specific desired action, then your landing page has succeeded in getting them to convert. Why do you need a landing page for your business? Landing pages are meant to facilitate a specific action you want a user to take in relation to your business objectives. They help to improve relationships with customers, intelligence about your business, and the success of your marketing campaigns. Try using one in your next campaign and see for yourself. How to promote a landing page. Landing pages are a form of advertisement unlike your business website. The primary purpose of a landing page is to promote one particular product or service. Typically, a website needs to provide an overview of everything you do and will offer an array of menu options for users to choose from. Conversely, a landing page generally offers one call to action and one place to click. The text and design are all meant to lead the user to one specific place. Example of landing page for business promotion. So this is a landing page we can use to promote our restaurant business. We'll create this landing page and the procedure to develop shall be explained as well. Items featured promoting. These are a few items promotion pictures of the business with their info shown beside. Featured because landing pages are meant to promote products or items. Customers shall be able to order any item just by clicking on the button, Order Now, which will take them directly to the WhatsApp contact number of business owner as linked. How to link WhatsApp with button shall be explained as well. A landing page is basically a single page, so the most specific products or items should be presented in our landing page. And according to the category, as for example, in a restaurant business, main categories are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And in the end, we have a contact us form. Once customers filled the information and sent their queries, the details shall be received by the organization email. So let's head to our landing page using WordPress. So as usual, the first thing we do is go to wordpress.com. And we're going to start from creating an account first. So I'll just log out. All right, so once you are in the WordPress site, click on the Get Started option here. Here you can put your email address, choose a username, and choose a password, and then click on Create Your Account. Or you can choose your Google or Apple ID as well. So I'm going to just log into my account for now. All right, so we are inside the WordPress, and the landing page that we're going to design is going to look something like this. Okay, so this is a landing page for a restaurant business. We have our logo here. We have the title, the cover image. Then we have our business name again and the sponsors here. So basically we have 3 sponsors. And then this is called media and text. So the media is on the right and text on the left. And this thing you see here, it's a fixed background. So it's called cover image. Then we have a paragraph and a heading, which is about us and basically about the business. Then we have the featured option, which is the featured products. And then one more paragraph. And as we know in a restaurant business, basically there's 3 categories. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we used cover images for each category. So as you can see for breakfast, we have a fixed background here. So when you scroll, it looks very decent. And then we have our first item that we are basically promoting. So this is set 1 with some details about the food. And then we have the order now option. So if you click on order now, you'll be taken with the WhatsApp business number. So as you can see, it's taken to my personal WhatsApp business for now. So we're gonna learn that as well, how to do so. Then we have the second set, the second item that we want to promote. After that, we have another cover, basically the second category, which is lunch. And as you can see, the background is fixed. So it looks very decent. And the same thing again, which is set 1 for second category, media and text with the order now button. And then the second item. And the third category, which is dinner. First item, second item, order now button. And in the bottom, we have the contact form. So the viewers can leave their response here, or they can send us feedbacks as well, queries if they have any. So basically, this is what we're going to design today. So let's start from very beginning. So once you create the WordPress account, you'll click on Add New Site here. Okay, so Now you're going to choose the name for your business. So my site is called Food for Life 2023. Just for example, I'm using this name now. Now this part is to choose a domain. That's the website link, basically. So we'll choose the free one. You can also purchase, and you'll get the WordPress tagline removed if you purchase. But as we are learning the free one, we'll use the free. Click on the free and click continue. So here you can choose different designs, but I'm going to prefer to use a blank canvas. We'll choose that later. Which features will we need? We're going to skip that as well. We're going to choose that later as well. Here comes the domain again. Select the free here, which is $0, and click on select and wait for your site to be built. All right, so our site has been built, and let's see what's inside. So as you can see, it should be empty. It's blank right now, so we'll design everything from here on the left. So the first thing we do is select appearance and go to themes. So there's like thousands of free themes, but for landing pages, I prefer to use the Karuna. So search for Karuna. Here you can see the Karuna theme just showed up. This one is a free theme, so I prefer this one. Good for landing pages. Click on activate this design. All right, so the theme has been activated. Now we're going to customize. Click on customize site. It's going to take a little while because it's being built with the theme. All right, so the first things that we have here is the title and the cover image. So we're going to customize this with the previous one. So just to refer with the old one, we're going to open the previous design. So this is how it should look like. All right, we also have a tagline here. We're going to add that as well. Okay, so click on site identity. Here you can choose the logo of your business or for the landing page. So I'll just show how to select one. Click on select files and upload your logo. Okay, so I'll use this picture as a logo for now. You can use your own PNG or any other logo you have, but this I'm going to just use as an example. All right, let's crop the size. Okay, should be good. And click crop image. All right, you can see the logo has been uploaded here. You can add any taglines or that you call slogans if you have. All right, so you can see that tagline is on the top here. And click on select site icon, which is basically this logo here. So as you can see, it's the WordPress logo now, but we want to change it to this. So select site icon and select the previous logo that we just used right now. All right, so our logo is going to look like this once it's published. Okay, here we are done. Click on save changes. Okay, we'll change the cover image. So to do so, click on this button right here. This one is the header image. And here, click on add new image. Upload files, select files. Yeah, I'll use this as a cover. And select and crop image. Okay, it seems like the picture is too big, so we have to resize. Let's try again with a different one. How about this? Let's select and crop. Okay, now we have the crop section here. So I'll keep it on center and a little bit bigger. Okay, click on crop image. All right, there you go. So we have our cover image set. You can use your own business cover images as well. Okay, what do we have later? Then we have the business title, which is the name of the business. So that's on page. And this is the customized section. So we're done with the customized section here. Click on save changes and get back to our WordPress. All right. So let's click on our site and see what we have designed so far. The slogan or the tagline, then the title and the cover image. Now we are going to design the page, which is after the cover image. To do so, click on pages here. And here is the home page that we are going to edit. So click on the three dots and edit. So we have different templates here, but I'm going to use a blank page. I'm going to design it my own way. Let's skip the tour. And here's the title. Title is basically the name of the page. So I'm going to name it landing page. All right. After that, what do we have? Okay, this is the title, business title. So for me, it's going to be food for life 2023. Okay, and I'm going to change the alignment to center. So to do so, click on these three lines here and align text to center. And I'm going to change the size. To change the size, go on the right, select block, typography, and here's the size. I'm going to make it 42. Okay, let's make it bold as well. Select the text and turn bold on here. All right. After that, we have our sponsors image. So to do so, just press enter and you'll see a plus button here. It should pop up and click on it and add an image. Here's the image. And upload the sponsors image that you have of your own. Okay, so here's my sponsors. I'll just upload it here. All right, it has been uploaded. Now we can change the size of it. We can use a wide width. It's going to be bigger. So I prefer a wide width. All right, so after that, we have a media and text with a cover. So we're going to add this now. We're going to design this part here. So always remember, after every block, use a spacer. So you click on the add block and search for spacer. There, this spacer, and make it 20. All right, so the reason we're doing this is because we need to create a space in between these two blocks, this part here. All right, now let's add the media and text. Okay, here is the media and text. Let's upload the media here. Now we can see the media in this landing page is on the right and the text is on the left. So to do so, click here, show media on right. So the media will just change directions. Let's upload. All right. Wait for it to be uploaded. Okay, so the media has been uploaded. Now we're going to upload one cover and the paragraph. So I'll just copy it from here. So here we had a cover image. So just press enter, click on the ad block here and search for cover. There. And in the cover, we used an image. Okay, so upload the cover image. Right, I used this one. Okay, there you go. So the cover is on top and the paragraph is after. So we will get rid of the content here. Just click and backspace. All right, we got rid of the content, and after that, we're gonna add a paragraph. So click on the three dots and insert after. All right, so our paragraph is here now. We're gonna just paste it. (2023). All right, and we're gonna change the size to this. It's somewhere around 20 or 30. So, all right, there you go. And as you can see, when we scroll, the background is not fixed. So to do so, click on this block and turn fixed background on. All right, now you can see the background is fixed and it looks much better. It seems like it's a little bit too dark. Change the opacity to 0. All right, now it's clear. All right, so in the title section, we have our business name. So in title, we just write down our business name, Food for Rich 2023. Let's change the color, select the text, and here's the color options. I'm gonna make it white. All right, there you go. Now it's white. And let's update our, that's we call save the changes. Let's view our web page. So far, what we have designed. Okay, so we have the cover image, our title, the tagline, then it's the landing page and our business name, our sponsors. We have the media and text with the cover image and the title of business. Okay, so after that, we have one more heading and something about the business. So it's basically heading and paragraph. So we're gonna design this too now. All right, and now we're gonna add a spacer. Always use a spacer after each block. So search for spacer and make it 20. 20 is normal size. So yeah, I prefer that one. And add a paragraph. Okay, which is gonna be about us. All right, I'm gonna change the alignment to center. Make it bigger in size 42, and bold. All right, so I'll just copy this part here. You can use your own about biography and paste. Let's change the alignment again to center. The size 20 is better. And after that, we have one more heading and one more paragraph. So just press enter, add a spacer, because we have a space here in between these two blocks. So we're gonna do that. Let's keep it 30. And then click on the plus button again and paragraph. All right, so it's going to be the featured products. This featured products, alignment center, size 42. Here I used a smaller size, but I guess I'm going to use a bigger one now. 42 is nice. Featured products, and maybe make it bold. No, I'm not going to make it bold. I'll keep it normal. All right. And the about the featured products here, this section I'll copy as well. Press enter and paste. Align the text to center, change the size to 20. All right, good enough. Now we have the cover image, which is basically the categories, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we'll design this cover image now. All right, just press enter. Always remember to use a spacer. Size 30. You can keep it 20 as well. It's up to you. And we are going to add the cover now. Just click on here, add block, and search cover here. Upload. Okay, so for breakfast, I'm going to use this as a cover image. Okay. And in the title section, write the category, so which is breakfast. Change the width to full width. Turn fixed background on. So now you can scroll. I'm going to change the size to a bit smaller. All right, this should be good enough. And the opacity to, I guess I'll keep it 20. Let's change the breakfast color to white. Select color, text color white. All right, there you go. You can use your own pictures as well. So this is just for an example. All right, and then we have one more media and text with the items and a button. So let's add a spacer again. Make it 20. And after that, we're going to add the media and text. Okay, so the media is on right and the text is on left. So same procedure, show media on right and click on upload and upload the first item that you want to promote. You can use your own products for your own business. All right, so it has been uploaded. Now the details. So the first is set one, then the name of the item, and then details of the item. So we have three sections here. So in content, we are going to write set one. Press enter. I'm going to just copy the name, paste it, change the size to 20, I guess. Yeah, 20. Press enter again and copy this as well. Write your own stuff for your own business. Okay. So after this three paragraph sections, we have a order now button right here. So we're gonna do that now. Press enter again. And once you see the add block option, just search for buttons there. Okay, so our button has been added and we're gonna rename it to order now. And to link it with WhatsApp, we're gonna do that later. We'll link all of them later. So for now, just the design part. Let's update and see what we have designed so far. Okay, so you can see the first item with set one, the name, the details, and the order now button. So if we click here now, nothing's gonna happen because we didn't link yet. We're gonna link that once we're done with the design section. Okay, then we have our second item. So the procedure is same, and to make it more simpler and faster, we're gonna just duplicate this. Select the whole block, click on the three dots, and duplicate. Before you do so, always remember to use a spacer in between. That I just forgot. So to do so, click on the previous block, three dots, insert after, and a block is gonna be created here. Click on the add block, add the spacer. So I'll keep it 20. And let's design the second set here. We're gonna change the sides just to make it look a bit nicer. So the media is gonna be on left. All right, like that. Let's change it to set 2. We're gonna just copy the details again. And the about section. All right, let's replace the image. Select the block and click on replace, upload. So the second item is this. All right, open. And there you go. Seems like the picture is too big, so I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. Okay, should be good enough. A little too small. Okay. All right, now we have our second category, which is the lunch. So to add the lunch, we're gonna use a spacer again, a very small spacer, maybe 15, and then add the cover image. Or we can do is just duplicate this cover. Click on the block, three dots, duplicate. Let's change it to lunch. Select the block again, click on replace, upload, and upload your lunch cover. So I'll use this. All right. Now to move it downwards, just click on this arrow here. It's going to move down. All right. It's now it's on the bottom. All right. There you go. Breakfast, first set, second set, and then the lunch. Remember, we have a spacer in between here. And then again, just duplicate the sets and upload your lunch items. Click on the three dots, duplicate, move down, and there you go. We missed a spacer in between. So just click on that block and spacer. I'll keep it 20. And duplicate again. Change the sides. This is how simple it is. Just duplicate, saves time. Replace the image. What image did we have? So for lunch, we use this image and these details. Okay, upload. Okay, we use this for our first set. Okay, set 1, name of the item. I'll just copy again. Paste it and the details. And the ordinal button is just the way it is. Then the second set. Okay, we missed a spacer in between here as well. So to do so, click on the previous block, three dots, insert after, plus button, and spacer. Size gonna be 20. change the item, the set, I mean. So second set is this. Load. This is our second set that we want to promote. So we know it's a landing page. Basically, we're going to feature the most popular products or items. So this is going to be set to. You'll write your own item names, own products details. So I'm just copying the items from here. All right. So we're using 2 products for each category for lunch. This is the set 1, first product, second product, and update. So we're going to have one more category, which is dinner. Just duplicate again. Move down, move down, move down, move down. We missed a spacer, so click on the previous block, 3 dots, insert after, plus button, and spacer. 20. Okay, for lunch, we're going to use a different image, cover image. I'll use this as a cover. Okay, this image is going to be for our lunch, and sorry, it's going to be for dinner. This is the third category. Okay, dinner. This is the first set, second set. Then later we'll design the contact form. So let's finish this 2 first. Add a spacer. Change the size. Plus button. I'm going to just duplicate again to save time. And move down, move down, move down. Okay. Duplicate this again for set 2. Change sites. We forgot the spacer again. Okay. Let's replace the products. Replace upload. Same procedure basically. Okay, so this is our dinner first set. Okay, set 1, the title is gonna be this. And the details is this. And let's save the changes. Okay, we have the spacer, set 2. I'm gonna copy again. And replace the product. Okay, so these are set 2, set 1 for dinner. Then we have set 2, set 1 for lunch, and set 2, set 1 for breakfast. Okay, so we're almost done with the products section here. Let's add a spacer for our next step. So which is this form here. So we used a cover as the background and the form on top. So this is basically for feedbacks or queries. So the viewers or the customers can contact with us. To do so, just click on add block, add the cover, upload the cover or the background that you want to use. So I'm gonna use this as a background. And in the title section here, just press enter and you'll see the add block option and search for contact form. Yeah. search for contact form, this one. And there you go. The title, in the title section, I'm gonna just copy again, which is contact us, queries, or feedback. That's paste. We're gonna change the color to white. Change these colors as well. Let's see how it looks first. Okay, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and we have our contact form. So if you click on the form here, you can choose your custom emails as well. So if you want your personal email for the feedback or the responses, you can just write it here and update. So I'm using my personal mail for now. Okay, so now let's go and link our order now button with our WhatsApp. So to do so, you'll just search for WhatsApp web link. Wait, no. You're gonna look for something like this. How to link from? Yes. So to link a button with your WhatsApp, you have to use this code, which is HTTPS and the rest. And this is the number, your own personal number. So just copy. And let's go to our first button here. Once we click on the button, you'll see this logo here. This is for link. So you just link and put the code here. And in the number section, use your personal number. So I'm going to use mine just to show you how it's done. And press enter. Click on update. Let's refresh our page. Okay, so when you click on the order now button, as you can see, my name is showing here and it's trying to take me to the WhatsApp business. So that's how you link a button with your WhatsApp business number. So basically that's how you design a simple landing page. You can use it for your own business as well. We used a restaurant as an example. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for participating. Hope to see you on the other events as well.